Hey everybody, we're going to look at a Ibex model number 20BHS by Forest River. Let's get started.
Inside this Ibex, you will see that this does have a queen bed, storage underneath. You have wardrobes on both sides. The drawer, USB, very nice pleated shade, storage up above. There's going to be power down on both sides. In the kitchen area, nice large round sink, storage above and below, a 3-burner cooktop
Convection.
with a convection microwave, 12-volt compressor fridge. You have storage beside your fridge. This is going to have a nice feature with a lockbox there. Lots of storage. This is going to have a vacuum system built in. Let's come around. Your dinette's going to be on a slide. There is storage on both sides. The table will come down where you can have an additional sleeping area here. Nice window that opens with a pleated shade. This is a bunk model. Your bunks both have a window on each one. There's going to be a USB plug for each bunk. You're going to have a nice ducted air conditioning system in the bathroom. Nice large shower. For reference, Jeremy's about 6 feet tall. Plenty of headroom. Nice large mirror. You have a max air fan. Got some storage below the sink. Your foot flush toilet's in a good position. And your linen closet here, and it's top and bottom.
All right.
Okay.
All right, folks, if you like this camper, all the dealership information will be down in the description below. Thanks, everybody.